Hey everybody, welcome back to Some of Y'all Probably Like. Today I will be making my version of the Farrah pulled pork french fries. Tell me why I tried to order this. However, they gonna tell me it was $22. Who you playing with? Girl, all you using is probably frozen french fries. The barbecue sauce, the nacho sauce is already made. You act like you making that pulled pork pre-made, you just gotta warm it up. So it's probably what they doing. But I said I'm gonna redeem myself and make it myself. Here's the ingredients. I'm gonna be using some crinkle fries. I'm gonna be using some roast beef. Like I told you in the freezer section, no, I usually get this. However, I was in any stores like that. I think I got these. That was General, so they didn't have that, but it did have it. So I said, okay, this works just as well. So I'm gonna see if it's sweet enough. I might have to add like a little bit brown sugar. Barbecue sauce. This is maple, so I may not need that because I already got the sweetness with the maple sauce. I'm using my Frito jalapeno kind of cheese. I bet you that one's spicy. So I'm gonna need some cooking grease to fry it. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, I fried the French fries. I put some salt on it. I also warmed up the cheese and this meat. I tasted it. I do want to be a little sweeter. If you don't want to make it sweet, you don't have to. I'm gonna put a little bit brown sugar inside of it. Probably put like a tablespoon in it. Strain some of it off. Okay, I'm gonna spread some cheese on it now with my fork, like drizzle it on with the fork a little bit. Like I said, Farrah, y'all ain't hurt my feelings. I can do this on my own.
Melted cheese.
Yeah. I put the maple barbecue sauce on it.
And I cut it.
Hold on. Be careful. Hold it with one hand and cut inside of here. Done? Big girl. You put that in the soup, okay?
That's all you need?
Yeah, that's all I need. It's something simple. Yes, y'all. Y'all see it? Something simple and look just the same. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Farrah, you ain't stopping nothing. You didn't think I was gonna do this at home? Yes. You see that picture? Now, if I want to put more meat, I can, but you know, I ain't trying to do that this time. So, you want to taste something, y'all? No. I'm trying to get. Huh? It's gonna be nasty, so you don't want it?
I'll just try.
Okay. Got the cheese, got the gravy. This is good though. Oh yeah, people like to eat it with a fork so they can dig it up. Y'all, you can pass me a fork, please? Thank you. Okay, let's have everything on there. This is good, just like I thought it would. You taste the sweetness from the little bit of the brown sugar. Also,
I don't taste that.
You know, last night I was in the gym. He was here with me. Olive was here with me, and you know they love that, and so I think it's
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
As well as the spiciness from the cheese, and you taste the bite from the green onions. This is good. I know you want to know if the fries are crunchy. Not as much. Maybe if I would have ate it sooner. I really don't know, but it's not as crunchy, but it still don't take away from it at all. It's not like soggy.
The fries good.
What would you rate this meal?
7.5.
Okay. What would make it a 10?
If it was sweeter and it didn't have any of that yellow hot jalapeno stuff and those green onions.
Okay.
One of the largest is the meat and the fries.
It's a little sweet. I do taste that the maple syrup. I forgot, not syrup. The maple barbecue sauce as well. Like I said, I'm gonna put like a little bit of brown sugar. I didn't want it too sweet. I don't know if the one at the Farrah is sweet at all. Oh, it's good though. I still rate it a 10 though. Simple, easy, and delicious. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and make this, y'all. Unless you don't eat meat, this type of meat. That's what I'm saying.
Bye. Like and subscribe to the video.